So hey guys, welcome back to the 650 Diaries. And today we have my friend chasing with me, and we are going to M5 Mall, which is a mall near my house. So it's probably like 10-15 kilometers from my house, and it's there in Electronic City Phase 1. So right now we are on our way over there. So let's see how our ride goes. Let's close the shield, and yeah. So right now I'm riding on an Interceptor 650, as you know, and the name suggests the 650 Diaries. So you will be getting content related only to 650, 650 engines, like probably like Continental 650 or Bear 650 or like that. So yeah. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully there's no much traffic and stuff. So yeah, we're recording it and going. And our friends are going in any one of these autos. I'm not sure in which one though. So yeah. So there's nothing much to tell. You must enjoy the ride which we are going to, and moreover, like it's gonna be a ride based, like whole riding experience and all. So yeah. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. So yeah, that's my friend over there. He's there over there in the mirror, as you can see. And yeah, so we're going on the main road right now in some time. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun journey. Well, it's a lot of traffic, I guess. This is the bus. Well, yeah. It's a very sunny day and it's very hot, and I have to go to another place also in Kormangla, the Forum Mall. So I'm going to watch Interstellar movie. It's a 7 o'clock show. So as my board exams have ended today, it's the plan to go watch over there. So yeah, I don't know how today's day is gonna go. It's gonna be very hectic. I had to go to the gym also, but then I was going to start tomorrow. Then I thought, okay, fine, let's just start tomorrow itself instead of going today and just namesake doing it, because I've not gone to gym from past 1 week as I had my board exams going on and stuff. So yeah, now let us see what's the status. How is my strength increased or decreased or still remains the same, or am I able to lift the weights as I used to do before. So yeah, let us see. Let's take directly a turn. So it's a fun ride today, and we're just cruising over the service road right now. So let us see. This is so fun, to ride this bike. And it's a very beautiful day. So especially be careful of these, the side on the road, these lines, which is like, a little bit imbalancing kind. It's going to be very difficult. Sometimes, the bike might slip off and it might skid. So be careful and be slow when you go on such kind of roads. it has like one road is elevated a little bit compared to the other one. So yeah, so we're gonna enter the M5 mall, and yeah, let's enter. Let's go. We have entered the M5 mall. We're going to the parking. So yeah, I guess it's 30 rupees the parking fees over here. I'm not sure. Let me see how much is it gonna be. So yeah, yeah. So let's go. We have reached. Huh? She basically said that if you miss the ticket, you'll have to pay 100 rupees. So let's see where we get parking today, and I feel it's a really great spot to park the bike. Okay, so we are here. So let's meet you. Sorry, we'll see you after this session of our vlog.